We're actually catching a bit of a break. We did have some heavier rains earlier this morning, but now we're in kind of a lull between the front that passed already and the front that is approaching that Kevin and Jacqueline were just talking about. Jacqueline also mentioning the winds. You can see in this flag too, that gives you an indication that the winds are coming out of the south right now, but we do expect that to switch as the morning approaches. One of the things that these winds bring with it, the potential for power outages. The power outages have stayed pretty much the same in the last half hour. We're now at 3,415 around the state. A bulk of those are concentrated in Belmont, over 1,100 in that area. One of the things right now, at least, we're not dealing with is heavy wet snow, but again, once that front approaches and moves through, that remains a possibility. Reporting live in Manchester, Ray Brewer, WMUR News 9.
All right, between today's rain and yesterday's snowmelt, you're going to want to watch out for ponding out there on the roads. This is a live look at how things are moving out there on 93 right now in Hooksett, and we're going to see traffic picking up over the next couple of hours. So you're going to want to leave yourself some extra time. Alyssa Ali has a closer look at your morning commute.
Aaron, people want to give themselves some extra time and some extra space as they're safe on the roads this morning. Make sure that you're giving yourself that extra space because the ponding can cover some dips and potholes, and we want to make sure people aren't driving through that. That can cause a pretty bad situation. But according to the WZID traffic network, Manchester is looking good, but once we get down to the seacoast, that's where we start to see some issues. There are two crashes along 95 here. One is near Seabrook and another just past Georgetown. Now, if we take another look, we can see there's also an incident on 93 in Sanborn northbound. If you are headed out, please be aware of these incidents.